So today is Friday, 22nd of April. So checking one more MotoVlog. Last time when we did a MotoVlog, that time gyro sensor was off. And also we recorded some video last time, but unfortunately it got deleted, not sure why. And this time I'll make sure that I check properly and let's see. And this time let me know how is the audio quality, because the mic has been fixed inside the helmet frame actually, just in front of the mouth. So I'm going very slowly, so voice quality should be good, but when I'm going fast, maybe voice quality will come down. It may crack or there will be a wind blast or wind noise. Let us see. And I think I need to stop somewhere and check whether voice or video is recording or not. So also I bought a helmet, what you got, strip to fix the camera in front of my mouth or chin, whatever it's called. Earlier it was stripped with the sticker, 3M sticker which comes with the packet, but that is not so safe, so I bought a belt. I think this will be a good idea, and it fixes very properly, guys. If this audio is fine, then I will show you all how I did and what I did. Then also you can see over here some of the shops are closed already. You can see today is not a lockdown, tomorrow is a lockdown, but still some shops are closed, guys. I really don't know why. That's for tomorrow is a lockdown, so Saturday, Sunday weekend lockdown, so I thought to finish my work today. I thought to go out. Then anyway, this week we didn't have any such plans for any outing or something. So hopefully next week they open. Otherwise it will be a problem. Just a second, guys. Let me wear the mask properly. Guys, I wear mask not for the fine actually, for my own safety, okay? Even the helmet I wear not because of the fine, but for my own safety. People think that people are wearing, many people are wearing just because of them fine. One thing. But however, guys, one logic I'm not able to understand. Before that, no, I'm just talking now that my mobile, my helmet visor is open. So just to check now, in visor open, how, see guys, here water, how it works with the visor open. After some time I'll close my visor. Yeah, what I was talking is, when I'm going alone in my car, example, or you are going alone in a car, nobody else is there, you are going alone. But still you need to wear a mask. I don't understand what is the logic behind that. However, assume that you are going in a car without mask, and when you come out with the public, then you have to wear a mask. There is the logic. But you are going alone, wearing mask, can't understand logic. Like I said, if you are in house alone, still you have to wear mask. Maybe this rule also will come very soon. Even if you are in house, you have to wear mask. Anyways, that's a different debate actually. Let's come to the fact. Actually, if you see, my petrol is down, so I don't know, I need to fill the petrol, guys. I hope. Okay, guys, if you can see right hand side, tachometer I fixed for my Splendor. It looks very nice. So let me know if you want more information on that, what I did, how much it is, how to fix. I will share this with you. It looks very nice, okay? And also, guys, if you can see this mobile holder, I have used so many holders, but this is a holder which I really liked it. It's a metal one. Once you fix, you can't remove it so easily. It's very good one. That's why I liked it. So last time for the drive, I fixed my mobile there. So which is this bike, guys? Let me read it. Looks like Harley Davidson. Yeah, it is a Harley Davidson, guys. Black. This car seat, TV Sports, Harley Davidson. Even I have a plan of buying R15. That was my dream bike. Once I bought, also booked, but I cancelled because I thought I could not manage. But if you guys liking my video and show good support, definitely by next year, or maybe next year, or maybe in next 6 months I will try to buy. Only if you people want. Okay. Otherwise I will manage with this, my Splendor Pro, or one more bike we have, that is also, or a brand new Bullet, classic Bullet 350cc. I will use that. Or we have Yamaha RZ brand new scooter. Or finally, if you guys want, I can also, if I like to go on my car, I like really to go on my car, but also you let me know how you want. Now I'm closing my helmet visor. So guys, now I'm cruising on flyover. Definitely the voice will not be clear here because wind blast will be more on the flyover. Still I'm speaking so that I just want to test whether it records or not. I hope it records. I think I have to stop somewhere to check whether the recording is done or not. Otherwise, what I've seen is if battery goes down for recording, then whatever it has been recorded, it gets deleted. Let me stop left side somewhere. So many shops are closed, guys. See, not even lockdown is tomorrow, but today itself it is closed everything. Maybe nobody wants to go and loss, What is this? Ambulance. Stop it.